Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Busuu for collaborative language learning step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to busuu.com. If you don't have an account yet, click on sign up to create one. Fill in the required details, including your email address and password. Alternatively, you can sign up using your Google or Facebook account for faster access. Once registered, log in to your Busuu account. After logging in, you will land on your dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the Settings option, typically found in the Profile menu. Click on Settings to enter your account preferences. In the Settings menu, select Collaborative Learning. Toggle the feature on to enable collaborative learning options. Next, navigate to the My Courses section from the dashboard. Choose the language you wish to learn or improve. Once in the chosen language course, look for the Community tab. Click on Community to connect with other learners and instructors. Join groups or discussions that interest you by clicking the relevant options. Engage with your peers by commenting or asking questions on shared exercises. You can also upload your own practice exercises for feedback. To contribute actively, find a study buddy through the Collaboration section. Send a request to connect with your chosen language partner. Once connected, schedule a time for collaborative study sessions. Use the Busuu chat feature for real-time communication during your sessions. Explore the resources available under the Resources tab for additional study materials. Regularly check community updates for new collaborative projects or challenges. Stay motivated by sharing your progress with your friends and fellow learners. Remember to take advantage of Busuu's feedback system to improve your skills. Continue to interact and practice regularly for the best results. With these steps, you are well on your way to successful collaborative language learning on Busuu. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.